Have you ever clicked a link and realized it opened in the same tab, thereby messing up your workflow? Today, I will show you how to make hyperlinks open in a new tab, keeping your user experience seamless and frustration-free. Let's dive in. Step one is what? The basic setup. That means create a hyperlink as usual. So let's just do that. Come to your body tag, open your VSC and come to your body tag. Create a hyperlink, which is using the A tag A. Let's put a link. Now let's say I have another page in my website. Let's say I have the about page. So let's just put it here. A dot slash about. Good. Now we have the about page inside of our landing page. Now step two, use target attributes. Now what do I mean? Come to this your A tag, right, or your link tag, and then make use of the target TARGEE target attribute blank. This way, whenever anyone clicks on this link, automatically it will open in a new tablet or a new tab. So let's see this in action. Okay, let's see this in action. So let's go live first of all. Good, we've gone live. And then let's come here and write something on our page. So let's just say go to about page. So this is, guys, go to about page. Now if anyone clicks this link, it will take them to our about page, not on this same page but on a different tab. So if I should click this, you see, guys, it took me to a different, this is our original tab, this is a new tab opened, so it took us to a different tab. That is how to make it do that. Now step three, improve accessibility with the ROEL attributes. This means that for security purposes and for performance purposes, you can actually improve the accessibility of your link. How do you do that? You put in what? The ROEL. Now come here and then say ROEL. ROEL. Now let's just say no opener. Now what does those do, guys? Now this is going to improve your security on your link. So that means it's not be a phishing link, but to be a genuine link. And the last but not the least, step four is to apply styling to external links. Now let's apply a style to this our link. How do you do that? To come here, go to your head tag and create the style. So let's just say style, and then we say A, we put target is equal to blank. Is equal to what? Blank. So I'm going to make it a blank, but not this, but this one. Yeah. And then we come here and say after, and then we say content. So let's just choose one from here. Say we could put a picture, we could put something. Let's just say red. So that is actually, we can add an icon, we can add a picture, we can add whatsoever we want to add to this particular place. So that is actually how you make a hyperlink open in a new tab. Hope you understood my class. Try it out and see you in my next class.